You guys, Apex has just released the hottest promotion of the year. They have combined all of our favorite promotions all into one huge promotion to end 2024. But before we get started, if you do not have an affiliate that you are currently supporting, feel free to support me and my channel by using code KeAmber at checkout. Let's get into the details. First of all, we have 90% off any size evaluation. This is the highest discount you will ever get at Apex, and they have coupled it with your favorite lifetime PA activation fee of $85. Last time they ran a 90% off sale, they increased the lifetime PA fee from $85 to $125, and so many of y'all were upset about that extra $40, but it is now $85. When you put these two promotions together, this is the best promotion Apex has ever had. Now, if you are someone who likes the bigger size accounts, the 150K, the 250K, or the 300K accounts, they have marked those accounts down to the same price as the 50K accounts. Plus, when you add in the 90% off, you can get these accounts for $17. $17. And also you have resets at $35 for any size account. Now this promotion ends Thursday, January 2nd, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let me give you guys a tip really quick. Please listen to me. If you guys have paid attention for the last couple of months, Apex has been going kind of long between promos sometimes. Sometimes you have that 50% off for a couple of weeks. Be smart. Save some of these accounts. If you do not pass all of your accounts, let's say you like to full port or you like to pass your evals on news, that is absolutely fine. Do not cancel all of these accounts. Remember, your recurring is 80% off, and that is still a really good deal. So if you have some accounts that you do fail, I'm telling you, save some for later. Otherwise, you're going to be upset with yourself. That's all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.